Hi friends, welcome back. Miss Walker and Monkey the Mathematician. And we are back with you today to do module 16, lesson 4. So go ahead and say the I can statement with me. Say I can identify and represent fourths of circles and rectangles. Awesome. So I'll say it with you one more time. Say I can identify and represent fourths of circles and rectangles. Very good, friends. So proud of you guys. So let's turn from Spark Your Learning on to Build Understanding. So I am on page 472. All right, so it says, Harper paints shapes to show fourths. She draws a line to show halves. How can she show fourths? Show fourths. Color a fourth of the shape. So friends, before we go into this, let's just review what fourths means. So fourths, the definition of fourths is 4 equal shares of a whole. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this circle right here has been separated into fourths. It is in 4 equal shares. Okay, so a fourth of means each part is a fourth of the whole. Okay, so part A, show fourths. Color a fourth of the shape. So let's go ahead and cut these shapes into fourths. There we go. And to do fourths here, we're going to cut it in half again. Awesome. And to do fourths here, we're going to cut it here. Very good. And now, friends, we're going to color a fourth of the shape. So let's go ahead and color. Colored a fourth of that circle. Colored a fourth of that rectangle. Awesome. Colored a fourth of this one. Very good. Okay, now let's finish these questions. So it says there are blank fourths in a whole. So how many fourths are there? Let's count, friends. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. There are 4 fourths in a whole. Awesome. There are 4 fourths in one whole. Very good. Part B, show another way to make fourths. So another way. So instead of doing it this way, we have to think of another way to show fourths down here. What do you guys think? Yeah, we can try to do vertical. Let's try it. Awesome. Very good. And then we have to color a fourth of it. So let's go ahead and color. Here we go. Very good, very good. Turn and talk, monkey. So it says, how do you know that the part of the shape that you colored is 1/4 of the shape? Yeah, monkey said there are 4 equal-sized parts. So he knows that that's 1/4 because there are 4 parts that are equal and they're all the same. So he knows that is 1/4. Very good. Let's move on, my friends, to the next page. If you need this page still, you can pause. Otherwise, keep watching and we will move it along. We are now on page 473. Here we go. Step it out. Ben made a rectangle volleyball court in the sand. Then he separated the rectangle into 4 quarters. Draw the volleyball court. Okay, that's step 8, friends. Let's draw the volleyball court. Oh, this is so fun. I played volleyball in college, so this is a fun problem for Miss Walker to help you guys with. So we all drew our volleyball court. Now it says we have to draw lines to show 4 quarters. So we have to separate this court into 4 quarters. So we can do it in half. Awesome. And in half again. I feel like that doesn't look super straight. but we are trying our best over here. And then it says color a fourth of the court blue. So we can get the color blue and we can color a fourth of the court blue. There we go. And then let's see, what does part D say? Part D says color a quarter of the court green. Boys and girls, do you know what that means? A quarter of? That's another way to say a fourth of, a quarter of. It's another vocabulary word that means a fourth of. So we can color in a quarter of the court green. Yay. All right. Check understanding. So friends, I think you guys should pause your camera, pause your video and do the check your understanding problems on your own, and then unpause when you're ready to check it. Welcome back, friends. I hope you had a chance to do the check understanding problems and you're now ready for us to check them. So it says draw lines to show fourths. So you guys could have done this a couple different ways, but one way was in half again. So we can make quarters. Awesome. And then we can go ahead and color it in. Color 1/4. So remember, 1/4 is another way of saying 1/4. All right, so that's what your first one should look like. You could have done it a different way, as long as you have 4 equal pieces. Remember, that's the important part. Here we go. Okay. So we'll color in 1/4 of this. Yay. And 1/4 of this. Yay. Awesome. So friends, make sure to check your work with Miss Walker's ones that we just did here. Great job today. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks, friends. Bye.